I request the dignitaries to kindly take their seats on the dais. So, okay. Okay. We shall commence with the national anthem. Kindly rise in its honor.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Requesting all to be seated and the dignitaries to please take their seats on the dais. Requesting Shri Bondada Raghavendra Rao, Chairman and Managing Director, Bondada Engineering Limited, to kindly take a seat. Srimati Bondada Nilima, Non-Executive Director. We will greet the esteemed guests and dignitaries with bouquets of flowers. Shri Baratam Satyanarayana, Whole-Time Director and CFO, Bondada Engineering Limited. Shri Vivek Vaishnav, Director, Vivro Financial Services Limited. Shri Jayesh Vitlani, Senior Vice President, Vivro Financial Services Limited. Dr. Farooq Patel, Chairman and Managing Director, KP Group. Shri Ajay Thakur, Head SME and Startups, BSE. Shri Samir Patil, Chief Business Officer, BSE. Dr. Satyanarayana Vaddi, Board Advisor. Keeping with the Indian tradition, the function will be inaugurated by lighting the auspicious ceremonial lamp. I request Srimati A. Pramila, Srimati A. Jayanti, Srimati B. Pavitra, Shri Sarveshwar Reddy, Shri P.V. Subbarao, along with the esteemed guests and dignitaries from the dais to kindly join in.
Shubham kurutvam kalyanam, arogyam dhanasampada. Shubham kurutvam सम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः नमोऽस्तु ते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
Requesting the dignitaries to kindly take their seats on the dais. A very good morning to all. On behalf of Bondada Engineering, an infrastructure company engaged in the business of providing engineering, procurement and construction services and operations and maintenance services to customers pan-India operating in telecom and solar energy industry. It gives me, Jenny D'Souza, immense delight to extend a hearty welcome to all of you, especially the esteemed guests, distinguished dignitaries, invitees who are present here in this historic International Convention Hall of BSE for the listing ceremony of Bondada Engineering Limited. I would now request Mr. Samir Patil, Chief Business Officer, BSE, for the opening remarks.
Good morning to all. Respected dignitaries on the dais of the dais, ladies and gentlemen. Shri Raghavendra Rao, Bondada Chairman and Managing Director, BEL, Srimati Nilima Bondada, Non-Executive Director, BEL, Shri Satyanarayana Bharataram, Whole-Time Director and CFO, BEL, Srimati Sonia Bidla, CSBEL, Dr. Farooq G. Patel, Chairman and Managing Director, KP Group, Shri Vivek Vaishnav, Director, Vivro, Shri Jayesh Vithlani, Senior Vice President, Vivro, Shri Satyanarayan Vaddi, MD, Phenomics, and my colleague, Shri Ajay Thakur, Head, SME BSE. A very good morning to everyone present at the historic and iconic BSE International Convention Center as we celebrate the equity listing of Bondada Engineering, a diverse player in the infrastructure sector that focuses on project execution with excellence. BSE India's leading and most diverse exchange, which provides an efficient and transparent market for trading in a bouquet of products like equity, equity derivatives, currency, commodities, interest rate derivatives, mutual funds, insurance, and stock lending and borrowing. BSE has played a prominent role in developing the Indian capital market of being Asia's first exchange, India's first universal exchange, and the fastest stock exchange in the world with a speed of 6 microseconds. BSE puts forward a strong and robust platform for its over 14 crore investors to trade in a highly secure and reliable environment that offers enhanced liquidity, diversity of participants, innovative technology, and trustworthy clearing services. In fact, it's a proud moment for us. In this very hall, 14 weeks before, we had relaunched the Sensex contracts and the BankX contracts, and we are proud to say, in a short period of 14 weeks, we clocked highest turnover of 71 lakh crore on one single day on the expiry. On the auspicious day of Navratri on 16th October, we will complete another 2 or 3 months of 4 months of launch. Listing on the exchange helps a company to moving forward, open new avenues and opportunities for growth, as seen from the over 4,000 companies listed on the BSE platform, making it the world's largest in the terms of listed companies. And today, this is the 452nd company being listed on the BSE SME platform. We welcome Bondada Engineering to the BSE family. We are confident that by listing on the BSE, Bondada Engineering will not only be enabled to enhance its visibility and profile, but also broaden its investor base, which we hope will support its business expansion plans. I congratulate the management of Bondada Engineering, merchant bankers and everyone involved with this issue for a successful listing as a forge forward in their business. BSE looks forward to continuing being Bondada Engineering preferred fundraising partner as it expands its reach and grows in scale. We look forward to a long and fruitful relationship in the years to come. Thank you. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Mr. Sameer Patil, for the initial remarks. I now request Mr. Vivek Vaishnav, Director, Vivro Financial Services Limited, to address this august gathering.
Good morning, everyone. Dignitaries on the dais, Shri Sameer Patil, Chief Business Officer of BSE, Mr. Ajay Thakur, Head BSE SME, Mr. Raghavendra Rao Bondada, Chairman Managing Director of Bondada Engineering Limited, Ms. Nilima Bondada, Non-Executive Director of Bondada Engineering, Mr. Satyanarayan Bharatam, CFO and Director of Bondada Engineering, Mr. Satyanarayan Vadi, my colleague Mr. Jayesh Vitlani, distinguished guests. It is indeed a historic day for the company, Bondada Engineering, to be listed on the BSE SME exchange. Actually, Bondada Engineering is a young company. It's been only 12 years since its incorporation. And in that brief period of time, it has grown actually in leaps and bounds. And it is truly commendable to the company, to the management, to the promoters to actually reach here in a short span of 12 years to actually be listed on the BSE SME exchange. So I congratulate the company wholeheartedly. Now that being said, that being a young company, the company has actually achieved a remarkable feat today. Company did an IPO of 42.72 crore rupees on the exchange. It is my proud privilege to say that the company got an overwhelming response from the public at large. The HNI category of the issue got subscribed more than 100 times. The retail category got subscribed more than 100 times. The entire issue got subscribed more than 100 times. For a 42.72 crore issue, we garnered a demand of more than 4,500 crore rupees. This has been more than 2 lakh applications, and the company stands today with having a shareholder family of excess of 2,500 shareholders. Truly a commendable feat, and I congratulate the management completely. The company is now at this stage a major turning point. With this IPO come up and with the major orders that it has got from its customers like BSNL and KP Group, of course, they are poised for a significant growth, and we hope that the company will definitely take the growth trend forward. As a merchant banker, let me say that working with Bondada Engineering has been a breeze. Led by the promoters, they have actually shown great vision and great roadmap as to how to go ahead with the IPO and get themselves listed. And the entire team has been in sync with each other to actually come to this stage. I must make a mention that the company actually has great systems, great processes, truly like a proper EPC company in not only in their own construction business, but anything that the company has done in their entire day-to-day life. they are all in sync finally with the vision of actually providing great superior infrastructure services. So I would really like to thank the company team and say that the merchant bankers have had a great experience working with the company team, and a special thank you to all of you. I would also like to thank all the other people who have actually helped us with this IPO, Rajani Associates, the legal advisor, Mr. Sridhar Mohan and Associates, the auditors of the company, the bankers to the company, of course, who have been supporting them, State Bank and Federal Bank, and of course HDFC as well, registrar to the company, KFin Technologies, and especially I would like to thank my team members at Vivro. Thank you so much for all the hard work and support and putting this over here and making this a good success. Bondada Engineering is now, sir, going to be part of the elite companies which are going to be listed, and this is a great achievement. We wish the company all the best for its future performance. On a personal note, BRS sir and Satya sir, it has been an absolute pleasure for us to work with you, and we are confident that you will deliver great value to your shareholders. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. I will now invite Shri Bondada Raghavendra Rao to kindly address the audience on this extremely joyous and significant occasion.
Good morning to all of you, and I wish all of you today is a Rakhi Purnami, is a very auspicious day. With the divine blessings of my parents, my late mom and my father, and I feel honored to be present before you on this historic occasion, bell ceremony of our company, Bondada Engineering Limited. I extend my heartfelt gratitude on behalf of our company. On behalf of Bondada team, I would like to thank our merchant bankers, Vivro Financial Services Limited, led by proven leadership of Mr. Vivek Vaishnav and Mr. Jayesh Vitlani. My sincere thanks to Vivro team for their help, support and contribution during entire process of this IPO. A special note of gratitude to BSE officials for graciously hosting Samir ji, Ajay Thakur ji, graciously hosting us and creating exceptional setting for this important juncture in our company's journey. I would like to thank our legal counsel led by Mrs. Sangeeta Laki and all other associates who worked with us for this IPO. I would also like to thank our company IPO working team who has taken this task as a yajna. I closely watched them during the IPO process. They have worked for almost 18 hours a day for 1 week sitting in Mumbai in Vivro office during the draft prospecting filing process. I feel really proud to have this team working with me. The tremendous interest shown by all of you has resulted in subscription of over 106, that is including market maker portion, 106 times, that is 124 times by HNIs and 100 times by retail investors. Once again, on this remarkable achievement, I extend warm thank you to everyone who has contributed for making this possible. Our company, Bondada Engineering Limited, was established in 2012 in Hyderabad as a headquarter. We have the pan-Indian service, pan-Indian presence. We are in EPC services for telecom and solar industries. Started with the telecom infrastructure services. Subsequently, we have diversified into solar EPC business as well as the manufacturing of green construction products. We have reached a top line revenue of more than 370 crores in FY23. as against our 7 crores revenue of our first year of operations. I am happy to inform you all that our company has been awarded telecom project order value of around more than 1150 crores from the Government of India undertaking, that is BSNL US5 funded project recently. We have to provide that 4G coverage to the where uncovered villages are there in across South India. Our future projects in telecom and solar industries are very bright. We have seen that industry trends and what are the requirements for next 10 years. A huge potential is there. We are now eligible and capable of taking sizable contracts in these industries, closing order value more than 1500 crore by 2023, March 31st, 2023, our order book is around 1500 crores. We aspire to maintain growth pace of our business. Our objective is to sustain this growth in long run and deliver value to our investors and other stakeholders. Further, I want to express my deep appreciation to our Director CFO, Mr. Satyanarayana, who led this entire IPO process from our company and made it a grand success. I would like to specially thank, acknowledge and provide my sincere gratitude my dear friend, my mentor, Dr. Farooq Bhai Patel, who has guided us, who has guided on this IPO all along, who has supported us in our entire journey and encouraged us to think big, think big. To you, sir, I convey my special thanks and my gratitude from the bottom of my heart. Yeah, thank you. My sincere thanks to and my sincere thanks to entire KP team who is sitting in here. Affan, Mohinil, Sohail, Hassan, Shankar Bhaiya ji, Palara Saab. My sincere thanks to all of you. My sincere thanks to all the distinguished dignitaries present on the dais, and their valuable guidance and inspiration have been instrumental throughout the entire process. Like Satyavati Garu, even that BVH Prasad, who is sitting over there, is the entire process. Even AK Kejriwal sir, the entire process they have guided us. I also extend my gratitude to the senior officials of the company, mainly Uma Maheshwar Rao, who is taking care of telecom business. So, MED, Pradeep, Vara, Nandakumar, Suryamurthy, VLR, Jatin, Ravi Guturi, Gurraj, Kumar, Ramesh, Chari, Sonia Bidla, our company secretary and compliance office. Yeah, I'll continue. Yes, thank you.
We will continue with the speeches and the memento presentation post the gong ceremony. I request the dignitaries to please proceed to the gong, which has been placed on the left of the stage, and I request the rest of the audience members to please remain seated even as we strike the gong at 10 o'clock. We will begin the 10-second countdown shortly. Kindly join me in cheering the company. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Requesting the audience to kindly sit. The striking of the gong will mark the official listing of Bondada Engineering on BSE's SME platform. Heartiest congratulations to the management, investors, stakeholders of Bondada Engineering Limited. Requesting the audience to kindly be seated. We can have the photo session later once we finish the speeches. All individuals can take their pictures later once we finish the speeches. Requesting everyone to please be seated as we have to continue with the speeches and presentation of the mementos. Requesting all the dignitaries to kindly be seated as we have to continue with the speeches and the mementos. We can continue with the photo session later. Requesting Shri Bondada Raghavendra Rao to kindly continue with his speech.
Yeah, I extend my gratitude to the entire senior officials of the company. My company, Huma, MED, Pradeep, Vara, Nandakumar, Suryamurthy, VLR, Jatin, Ravi Guturi, Gururaj, Kumar, Ramesh, Chari, Sonia Bidla, all our employees who have contributed to this great journey. Their role is very important in our growth and development. I also wish to convey my heartfelt thanks to our esteemed guest whose presence has elevated the significance of this event. We are truly honored with their presence. Aditya Pancholi Sahab, Suraj Pancholi ji, Shankar Bahira ji, Satyanarayan Vaddi, Sarveshwar Reddy Garu, Venkat Subbarao Garu. Sarveshwar Reddy Garu is our independent director and Venkat Subbarao Garu is also our independent director. Sridhar Reddy is our statutory auditor. Also, I would like to convey my gratitude and thanks to my family members who have presented over here, many of them, who have supported unconditionally and stood along with me in this entire journey of this company and this IPO process. My wife Neelima, my sons Jatin and Juhit, my brother Ramesh, who is not here today, my sisters Pramila and Jayanti, my nephews and niece Sandeep, Pradeep, Sai, Monica, my father-in-law Jaiprakash Garu, and all other my family members by each name. In conclusion, I want to convey that this success is a result of collective efforts, dedication and hard work of each individual of our company. On behalf of our company, I extend my sincere thanks to all of you. Your support means the world to us. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your thoughts. I would now like to call upon Shri Satyanarayana Baratam, Director and CFO, Bondada Engineering Limited, to address the occasion.
Yes, sir. Height problem. Good morning, everyone. I am feeling really proud to stand before you on this great occasion, the listing ceremony of our esteemed company, Bondada Engineering Limited. In fact, whatever I thought of covering, the entire thing is already covered by our Vivek. It's nothing but a kind of repetition, but please bear with me for a couple of minutes.
Alongside the distinguished Mr. BRR and our senior team members, we started this journey in 2012 with a vision to explore our opportunities in telecom industry with EPC services and O&M services as our specialization. Gradually, we have ventured into the other growth industry, which is solar industry, with the help of Dr. Faruk Patel sir, with a similar business portfolio like in telecom. We have two subsidiary companies which deals with AIC blocks and UPVC windows. Recently, we have incorporated one more company by name Bondada E&E Private Limited, which deals with manufacturing of LED lights business. Our growth speaks for itself, a remarkable 48% CAGR in terms of revenue over the last 11 years. This growth rate has been realized through the collective efforts of our entire Bondada team, led by eminent leader and seasoned professional, our CMD, Mr. B. Raghavendra Rao. To every member of this team, I extend my heartfelt gratitude for your great commitment levels. Mr. BRR has rightfully highlighted the substantial interest we have gained from investors, a clear evidence on confidence they have shown in our company. I would like to give you some brief insights of our IPO success metrics. Total number of applications received 2,10,215. Total demand raised 4,560 crores. Over subscription by a record of 106 times. 124 times by HNIs and 100 times by retail investors. We have full-time amount subscription in a single application. We have 7 such applications. First day we had a subscription of 2.6 times. Second day we have 15 times. And third day it's a record of 95 times. And our one-time full-time subscription completed within 3 hours of our issue opening. Within just 3 hours. And we have got applications from each and every nook and corner of India. Apart from India, we have received applications even from other countries like Australia, America, Dubai, Mauritius, Qatar, Singapore, and Kuwait. To this great success, I would like to thank our lead managers, Vivro Financial Services, led by Vivek Nandan Vaishnav, and also ably supported by a great team execution led by Mr. Jayesh Vitlani sir, and the team, Mr. Anshul Nenavati, Mr. Samir Santara, Mr. Viral Shah, Hardik Vanaparia, and the entire Vivro team. I really appreciate their hard work, dedication, and their commitment levels. My sincere gratitude and wholehearted thanks to our guide, mentor, and strategist, Dr. Faruk Patel, sir. Thank you so much, sir. I'd like to thank our board of directors for their continued support during this IPO process. Our CMD, sir, Mr. BRR, Neelima ma'am, Subbarao, sir, Sarveshwar Reddy, sir. I would also like to thank our legal advisors, Rajani and Associates, Ms. Sangeeta Lakhi, Mr. S. Desai, Ms. Nidhi Raj, and the entire Rajani team. I would like to thank our market makers, Recover Securities, who are part of this IPO. We convey our gratitude to our PR agency concept team led by Mr. Sanjay Lohia for making all our IPO events more colorful and more memorable. I'd like to thank our statutory auditors led by Mr. Sridhar Reddy for their great support in this entire IPO journey. Also, my sincere thanks to Kefin Technologies, our registrar to the issue. I personally thank all the 2,10,215 investors who trusted us and participated in our IPO to make this IPO a grand success, to a subscription of at a record of 106 times. I'd like to specially thank my family on this occasion, particularly my wife, Pavitra. Also, my sincere thanks to all our Bondada family by each name who are the real warriors for this great success. Last but not the least, from whole Bondada team, we convey our gratefulness to the hero of this event, our beloved sir, Chairman and Managing Director, Mr. B. Raghavendra Rao. We are all blessed to working with you, sir. So, coming to this investors part, Our investors who will play a vital role in our journey. We feel they are our strength partners and we value their contribution. After completion of allotment of shares, the shares were allotted to 2,627 shareholders as a part of this IPO. And we have 10 existing shareholders, so the overall shareholders base would be 2,637 as at trading date. That is today. We assure you that we will add value to our investors as we move forward. Our intent is very clear: to exceed expectations, enhance value, contribute significantly than ever before. With hard work and dedication of our team, our forward journey will be even more promising and encouraging. I don't know whether I can declare here or not. At this point of time, our share is trading at 149 rupees, which is almost double the price. With this, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Thank you for sharing your thoughts with us, sir. I would now like to call upon Dr. Faruk Patel, KP Group, to say a few words.
A very good morning, namaskar and assalamu alaikum to all. मैंने बोला सब लोग इतना इंग्लिश बोल रहे हैं तो अपने हिंदी में बात कर लेते हैं। हक साहब, कोई कुछ भी कहे लेकिन मैं हमेशा कहूँगा फॉर द राघवेंद्र राव स्पेशली, मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है। मुझे यहाँ पर, मैं चौथी मर्तबा आया, वैसे 3 कंपनी पहले केपी की लेके आया, अब ये चौथी कंपनी मेरे दोस्त की है। और यहाँ पर मुझे जो खास करके जो लोग लेके आए उनमें मैं अजय ठाकुर साहब, मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ और आज भी कहूँगा, केजरीवाल साहब, मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ आज भी कहूँगा कि जंगल में मोर नाचा किसने देखा? कोई ने नहीं देखा। लेकिन यहाँ पर एक जंगल में नाचने वाले मोर को भी यहाँ नचाता है और दुनिया को दिखाता है, वो अजय ठाकुर साहब। और पूरी दुनिया को दिखाते हैं कि देखो हकीकत में मोर की कला क्या होती है। तो आई रियली थैंक्स टू द BSE, पाटिल साहब, राघवेंद्र राव, सत्यनारायण, एंड ऑफ कोर्स द टीम, सत्यनारायण की जो टीम है वो साहब, और ये सबको बोंडाडा टीम को जोड़े रखने वाली जो एक कड़ी है जिसको शायद किसी को भूलना नहीं चाहिए, वो है नीलिमा राव। सी इज द लेडी, क्योंकि मैं इन लोगों से 25 साल से साहब जुड़ा हुआ हूँ, 25 ईयर्स हो गए मुझे। वो जिस तरह से सबको जोड़ के रखती है, काबिले तारीफ है। रही बात बोंडाडा इंजीनियरिंग लिमिटेड की, तो उसको जब IPO डिज़ाइन हुआ उसके बाद यहाँ तक इतनी सक्सेसफुली जिस तरह से पहुँचाया, और आज आप देख रहे हो, सत्या ने अभी ही कहा कि 149 के ऊपर में रेट है, 75 पे लिस्टिंग हुआ था, 149 इस एक बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट है। लेकिन इस अचीवमेंट के पीछे बहुत सारे लोगों ने काम किया हुआ है, और ऐसे सबसे जो अगर मेन काम किया है तो टीम विवरो, जिसके लीडर हैं विवेक साहब और जयेश विथलानी, उसके साथ में रोशन यहाँ पे बैठे हुए हैं, और बहुत सारे लोग जो इनकी टीम के साथ में जुड़े हैं, जैसे कंसेप्ट है, जिस तरह से मार्केट मेकर वगैरह जो लोग हैं, ये बहुत सारे। मैं ये जानकारी इसलिए दे रहा हूँ ताकि यहाँ कुछ बैठने वाले लोग ऐसे भी हैं कि जिन लोगों को कल ऐसा होगा कि लेट मी सी हम लोग कितने वैल्यू वाले लोग हैं, तो वो तो ठाकुर साहब दिखाएंगे कि आप कितने वैल्यू वाले लोग हैं, उसके लिए आपको कहेंगे, लेकिन हम लोगों को भी इन लोगों की ज़रूरत रहेगी। इन्वेस्टरों की ज़रूरत या इन्वेस्टरों तक बात को पहुंचाना, वो भी एक कला होती है, और वो बहुत सारे अच्छी तरह से विवरो की टीम और पूरे के पूरे जो पत्रकार परिषद हैं या जो एडवर्टाइजमेंट है उन लोगों ने करके दिखाया। मैं राघवेंद्र राव और बीएल की तरफ से मैं आप सब लोगों का शुक्रगुजार हूँ। एक बात मैं कहूँगा कि बहुत डेडिकेशन है टीम के अंदर में और बहुत आगे जाने वाली ये टीम है। आज जो दिख रहा है वो बहुत छोटा सा एक उजाला दिख रहा है, लेकिन इसके पीछे में बहुत ही बड़ा एक ज्वाला भरा हुआ है। वो ज्वाला आपको बहुत नज़दीक के समय के अंदर में बीएल की टीम से हम उम्मीद करेंगे और हम ये भी उम्मीद करेंगे कि द टीम बीएल, जिस तरह से विवेक ने बताया पहले ही लेक्चर में कि हर चीज़ को बहुत अच्छी तरह से वो संजोती है और बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से इसको किसी भी काम को वो आगे ले जाती है। वेल अगेन थैंक्स टू द बीएल टीम ऑल्सो। बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं कहूँगा क्योंकि ये मौका जो है बीएल का है, लेकिन ये ज़रूर कहूँगा कि मेरी बेस्ट विशेस आज भी है, कल भी होगी और हमेशा आप लोगों के साथ में ही रहेंगी इंशाअल्लाह। और आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा दिन दुगनी प्रगति करें, ऐसी हम सब लोगों की केपी टीम की पूरी ख्वाहिश है और ईश्वर आपको इस काम के अंदर में खूब आगे ले जाए। और मैं यहाँ से और एक चीज़ कहूँगा कि सर, जिस तरह से आज आपको दिख रहे होंगे कुछ सामने डिग्निटरीज, आदित्य पंचोली, सूरज पंचोली वगैरह, तो मैंने ये सोचा कि जिस तरह से बॉम्बे मशहूर है फिल्म इंडस्ट्रीज़ के लिए, तो वो फिल्म इंडस्ट्रीज़ वाले लोग भी हमारे साथ जुड़ जाए तो बहुत चार चांद लग जाएंगे। लेट्स गिव देम अ गुड राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज टू देम ऑल्सो। और थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक्स टू ऑल ऑफ यू और होप कि बीएल बहुत ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आगे बढ़े, यही मेरी दुआ है। अस्सलामु अलैकुम, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you, sir, for sharing your insights with us. I would now like to call upon Dr. Satyanarayana Vaddi, Board Advisor, to say a few words.
Good morning to all the dignitaries and warm welcome to all the investors and stakeholders. It was really a momentous day for Bondada Engineering as we got listed in BSE SME platform. We thank all our investors, all our stakeholders for reposing trust and faith in our Bondada Engineering. The moment people talk about listing, it has given us more responsibility right now. We have transformed from a company into an institution. This institution of Bondada Engineering would create wealth not only to investors, all the stakeholders, promoters, and to the government. Thank you so much. All the best and good luck.
Thank you, sir. I would now like to call upon Mr. Ajay Thakur, Head SME and Startups, BSE, to say a few words.
फारूक भाई ने तो मुझे भी मोटिवेट किया, इंस्पायर किया, प्रेरित किया हिंदी में बोलने के लिए। Respected dignitaries on the dais, Mr. Raghavendra Rao, Chairman and Managing Director, Sri Satyanarayan, Director and CFO, Sri Vivek Vaishnav, Director Vivro Financial Services, Dr. Farooq Patel, Chairman KP Group, Sri Satyanarayan, again Board Advisor, Nilima Madam, Non-Executive Director, Bondada Engineering, our own Sri Samir Patil, Chief Business Officer, Sri Gish Joshi, Chief Trading Officers, Aditya Pancholi ji, Suraj Pancholi ji, distinguished guests, very good morning to all of you. आज BSE SME प्लेटफॉर्म पे 452वीं 452nd कंपनी लिस्ट हुई बोंडाला इंजीनियरिंग। इसके लिए आप सभी लोगों को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और शुभेच्छा। समय बड़ा परिवर्तित हुआ और मैं आपको बताऊं राघवेंद्र जी, 2012 में आपकी कंपनी स्टार्ट हुई और 2012 में ही BSE SME प्लेटफॉर्म भी स्टार्ट हुई। और 2012 से मुझे अभी भी याद आ रहा है, जब हमने ये SME प्लेटफॉर्म स्टार्ट की, वी वेर ऑल्सो ए स्टार्टअप। और मुझे आज भी याद आ रहा है कि मैं पूरे देश का भ्रमण कर रहा था, सारे लोगों से मिल रहा था, और हमें एक मर्चेंट बैंकर नहीं मिल रहा था जो SME प्लेटफॉर्म पे काम कर सके। एंड टुडे वी हैव ट्रेवल्ड सच ए लॉन्ग वे that today 452nd company got getting listed. And let me tell you, I have never thought that a SME issue of 42 crores will get subscribed 112 times. आज मेन बोर्ड से भी ज़्यादा सब्सक्रिप्शन SME कंपनियों को मिल रही है। 4,500 करोड़ रुपया 42 करोड़ रुपए में आना बहुत छोटी बात नहीं है, बहुत बड़ी बात है। और ये दिखाता है कि BSE ने जो इनिशिएटिव ली थी वो आज किस तरह से इस देश को ट्रांसफॉर्म कर रहा है। एक नए युग में प्रवेश हम कर रहे हैं, और मुझे कोई शक नहीं है कि जिस तरह से BSE ने 149 सालों से ये नए नए इनिशिएटिव लिए, कि BSE जो है आने वाले कुछ सालों में विश्व की तीसरी सबसे या दूसरी सबसे बड़ी मार्केट कैपिटलाइजेशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ मार्केट कैपिटलाइजेशन बनने वाली है। और मैं आपको एक चीज़ और बता दूं, मैंने ये भी नहीं सोचा था कि 452 कंपनी जो है वो 85,000 करोड़ की वैल्यू बनाएगी। आज 452 कंपनीज BSE SME प्लेटफॉर्म पे जो लिस्टेड है, उसने 85,500 करोड़ का मार्केट कैपिटलाइजेशन बना लिया है। और जो वेल्थ क्रिएशन यहाँ पे हुआ है वो शायद पहले कभी नहीं हुआ था। आज मैंने बोंदाला इंजीनियरिंग का देखा, ये खुली थी 90% अप, और अभी भी मेरे ख्याल से 100% अप चल रहा है। तो ये दिखाता है कि इन्वेस्टर्स का कॉन्फिडेंस जो है SME प्लेटफॉर्म पे बढ़ते जा रहा है, नए नए इन्वेस्टर्स आ रहे हैं। एक टाइम में हमें इन्वेस्टर्स के पास भीख मांगने और उनसे रिक्वेस्ट करना पड़ता था कि भाई आप SME कंपनीज को देखिए, उसमें लिस्ट की, उसमें आप पैसे लगाइए। आज मुझे इन्वेस्टर्स को बोलना नहीं पड़ रहा है, मर्चेंट बैंकर्स को नहीं बोलना पड़ रहा है। आज मर्चेंट्स बैंकर्स को फ़ोन करो तो मर्चेंट बैंकर्स सारे ओवर ऑक्यूपाइड हैं। सारे लोगों के पास इतनी SME कंपनीज है कि भर भर के वो लिस्टिंग करने जा रहे हैं। तो एक ज़बरदस्त इकोसिस्टम क्रिएट हुआ। इतना ही नहीं, जब हमने फारूक भाई की लिस्टिंग कराई थी तो ये मिस्टर फारूक पटेल थे, आज डॉक्टर फारूक पटेल हो गए। जब हमने इनकी KP ग्रुप लिस्ट कराई थी, उसकी वैल्यूएशन 100 दोनों कंपनियों मिला करके 130 करोड़ के आसपास, 138 करोड़ के आसपास थी। आज 4,500 करोड़ हुई। और ये SME प्लेटफॉर्म की ही देन है, नहीं तो 148 करोड़ की जनसंख्या में कोई अजय ठाकुर को नहीं जानता है, लेकिन फारूक भाई ने 2 बार अजय ठाकुर का नाम ले लिया। तो मेरे ख्याल से ये जो BSE ये आप देख रहे हैं, जिसको हम टेम्पल ऑफ वेल्थ क्रिएशन कहते हैं, इसमें रियली जो हम लघु और मध्यम उद्योग, जिसको हम बैकबोन ऑफ इंडियन इकोनॉमी कहते हैं, उसको हम इससे जोड़ना चाहते हैं। इन चीज़ों को दिमाग में रखते हुए हमने ये SME प्लेटफॉर्म की शुरुआत की थी। और आज मतलब कितनी खुशी हो रही है कि हम एक तरफ प्रोमोटर्स को देख रहे हैं और दूसरी तरफ हम बॉलीवुड के सितारों को देख रहे हैं। दोनों का संगम इस SME प्लेटफॉर्म ने कर दिया। और इस तरह से हम, इससे पहले फारूक भाई, हमने ब्राइट आउटडोर करवाया था लिस्टिंग। ब्राइट आउटडोर मीडिया, वो बॉलीवुड में सब लोग जानते हैं उसको, और उसमें भी इसी तरह सितारों का मेला था। तो ये SME प्लेटफॉर्म जो कर रही है, मेरे ख्याल से इससे पहले कभी नहीं हुआ, और अभी इतिहास रचने वाला है। हम तो चले थे अकेले ही और कारवां बनते गया, और कारवां भी सितारों का बनता चला गया। तो मेरे ख्याल से ये अभी जस्ट शुरुआत है। आई ऑलवेज से दैट इज जस्ट ए टिप ऑफ आइसबर्ग. A lot of things have to happen, and let me assure you all that BSE, whether Ajay Thakur is there or anybody is there, you know, we are always going to support the SME and transform them from a small to medium, medium to large, and large to blue chip company. And this is what the BSE is all about. So please get associated with BSE, and of course this temple of wealth creation will keep on creating wealth for everyone, for all the stakeholders, and transform this company to $20 trillion wealth. Okay. With these words, thanks a lot, and of course once again, Mr. Raghavendra, a lot of congratulations to you. I wish you and I give you a lot of blessings. Today is a very auspicious day of Raksha Bandhan, and let the God keep you growing and make you $1 million company. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Time now, ladies and gentlemen, for the memento presentation. Shri Samir Patil and Shri Ajay Thakur, BSc, will present the mementos to the BRLMs and our dignitaries on the dais. Shri Samir Patil and Shri Ajay Thakur will present the memento as a congratulatory gesture to Shri Bondada Raghavendra Rao. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, this is a replica of the gong that has been placed on the stage behind. And there's a replica of the bull that we see at the entrance of BSE. Shri Samir Patil and Shri Ajay Thakur will also present mementos to Srimati Bondada Nilima ji. To Shri Baratam Satyanarayana. Followed by Dr. Faruk Patel. Followed by Shri Jayesh Vitlani. And Dr. Satyanarayana Vaddi. I now request Shri B.R. Rao, Srimati B. Nilima and Shri Baratam sir to kindly present the mementos to the Stock Exchange BSE. Followed by Dr. Faruk Patel. Followed by the registrars to the issue, KFIN Technologies. Followed by the legal advisors to the company, Ranjani Associates. Followed by market makers, Rikhav Securities. followed by Sridhar Mohan Associates. Requesting Shri B.R. Rao and Dr. Farooq Patel to kindly present the memento to the advisors to the issue, Satyanarayana Vati. Last but not the least, we would like to present the memento to the communication agency for the issue, Concept Communications. Last one on the list, and then we have. No? Okay. And to Vivro Financial Services, lead managers to the issue. That is what. This one second. BBH Prasad. And finally, to BVH Prasad, Wise Money. Ladies and gentlemen, let us have a resounding of claps for the hard work and effort put in by everyone. Thank you, everyone. The vote of thanks will be proposed by Mr. Jayesh Vitlani, Senior Vice President, Vivro Financial Services Limited.
One minute only. Yes. Huh? What of it? Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, dignitaries on the dais and distinguished guests. Before taking more time, I, on behalf of Bureau of Financial Services and the entire issue management team, extend my a vote of thanks to all present here Especially big thanks to BSE for supporting us in the entire process of the filing the document till this today's, and also giving this hall for the making this ceremony more memorable. Again, I thank company for giving us an opportunity, and thank all the agencies who have worked as per our requirement throughout the process. With this, I request all members here to join for the refreshment. Thank you very much.
On that note, we conclude the function. Kindly proceed for the coffee and refreshments that have been arranged in the adjoining banquet hall to my left, your right. This is Jenny D'Souza taking a leave. Thank you for being a wonderful, lovely audience, and have a great day ahead. And yes, whoever wishes to take pictures near the gong, most welcome.